Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to install Microsoft Outlook on your iPhone 11. So the first step is to open the App Store. Then from here, use the search features and type in Microsoft Outlook. You should see it listed in the search results, so tap on it and confirm it's by Microsoft Corporation. Once you've done that, tap on Get to start the installation process. From here, you'll need to confirm using your Apple account password or using your Face ID. And once you've confirmed the installation, simply wait for the app to be downloaded onto your phone. Once the app has been installed, you want to tap on Open to launch it. And now you can start using Microsoft Outlook on your iPhone 11. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.